The rear automatic braking, or RAB system, can assist the driver when the vehicle is backing up. RAB operates when the shift lever is in the reverse position and the vehicle speed is less than approximately 9 miles per hour. If an obstacle is detected when your vehicle is backing up, the RAB system warning indicator will flash in the vehicle information display. A red frame will appear in the center display, and the system will chime 3 times. The system will then automatically apply braking. After the automatic brake application, the driver must apply the brake pedal to maintain brake pressure. The RAB system detects obstacles behind the vehicle using the parking sensors located on the rear bumper. To enable or disable the system, use these controls to select Settings, Driver Assistance, Emergency Assist, then Rear Auto Braking to toggle the system on or off. When the RAB system is turned off, the RAB system warning light illuminates. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.